In this video, I'm gonna mix two RSI with special settings that together they give the most accurate buy-sell signals ever. First, we need to add two RSI to our chart. So here we click on indicators and we search RSI. This one, relative strength index. We need to add two RSI to our chart. In the next step, we need to change their settings and combine them together. For the RSI at the bottom, here we click on the settings, and here in the inputs tab, here for RSI length, we set it at 5, and then here in the style tab, except RSI, we remove everything else that we have here. And finally, for the RSI line, we change the color to red. Alright, we're done with the first RSI. And now for the second RSI, we go to the settings of the indicator. And first here in the inputs tab, here for RSI length, we set it at 21. And then here in the style tab, we remove RSI moving average line. And then for the RSI line, we change the color to green. And also we increase the thickness of the line. Alright, we're also done with the second RSI. And now we should combine them together. First, for the RSI at the bottom, the red one, which has shorter length, here we click on more and then move to, and we click on existing pane above. And again for the same RSI, which is a red RSI with shorter length, again we click on more, and here for pen to scale, we click on pen to scale A. Alright, everything is already set on the chart, and let's see how we trade based on this setup. This trading strategy is suitable for scalping and day trading strategies, because by the help of this setup, we're gonna catch a sudden and short-term momentum changes that are happening in the market. So time frames like 1 minute to 15 minutes are good choices for this trading strategy. We continue on 5 minutes time frame. You can use this trading strategy on any asset or market, whether it's forex, crypto, or stock market. The only requirement is high trading volume and liquidity, because we don't want to experience any unreal price gap or large spread between bid and ask prices that can damage our trade entry, stop loss, and profit. Alright, as you can see here, we have two RSI with different settings that are combined with each other. One of them has shorter length, the red one, so it is more sensitive to the price action, and you can see more activity of this line. And the other RSI has longer length, the green one, and it is smoother and less responsive to the price action. So we use green RSI for trend identification in this setup. When it is above the center line, the market is trending up, and when it is below the center line, the market is trending down. And then by the help of red RSI, we're gonna find trading opportunities in the same direction with the current trend of the market. When the green RSI is above the center line, which tells us that the market is in an uptrend, we wait for the times that red RSI goes below the center line. When this happens, I mean when red RSI goes below the center line while the green RSI is above the center line, this gives the probability that a pullback is forming on the chart. We wait until the red RSI crosses back above the green RSI while the green RSI is still above the center line. When we have this situation, it tells us that the pullback ended, and we can enter a long position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss below the previous swing low, and the profit target at the level that gives risk to reward ratio equals 2. On the other hand, when the green RSI is below the center line, which tells us that the market is trending down, we wait for the times that red RSI goes above the center line, which shows a probable pullback within the downtrend. We wait until the red RSI crosses back below the green RSI while the green RSI still below the center line. This situation tells us that probably the pullback ended, so we can enter a short position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high, and the profit target at risk to reward ratio of 2. Alright, please pay attention that this strategy is a trend following strategy, and because of this, it performs very well when the market is trending, but when the market is not trending, it doesn't perform well and it can create false signals. In this part of the chart, you can clearly see that the market is flat and the price is not trending. And here, you can see that while the green RSI is above the center line, we had one false signal at this point and another false signal at this point. In both of the cases, the price advanced after them, but not enough to make our our position profitable because the market is not trending and these are just swings inside a trading range. But you can see that from here, where the trading range is broken and the market is trending down, we have a perfect signal here, another signal we have here, another profitable signal here, another one here, another one here, and another one here. But this one, not a profitable signal because you can see that we got a reversal after that and the price turned to an uptrend. With any trend following strategy, you will have these two problems. You get false signals when an instant reversal is happening in the market, and you can also get false signals when the market is not trending. You can use some indicators for filtering false signals during range market like ADX or Andean oscillator among others, or you can use price action analysis, which is the most effective way to know when the market is not trending. I'm gonna make a video on this subject, so make sure you subscribe and you won't miss it. Please pay attention that no trading strategy can give you 100% guaranteed signals. Losing positions are always part of the game and you need to manage them properly so you can become a consistently profitable trader. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for scalping and day trading strategies. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.